How to fix critical process died BSOD error in Windows. 1. Repair Windows OS by running sfc and dism command as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source wim x sources install. Run a virus scan using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. Hint: perform a clean boot. 3. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Undo recent changes, from ridding of newly installed software to overlocked hardware. 5. Restore to the previous point, if you can. 6. Check your disk for potential errors via Windows Hardware and Device Troubleshooting Tool, msdt.exe. ID Device Diagnostic Command. 7. Update the BIOS.